Hello everyone. We are having a site competes.org. Our site name is Competes Makes You Compete. Competes makes you compete. You can see the site here. It's https www.competes.org. Here also you can see the URL competes.org. I'm just giving you a short description about a respective product, that is of Phonics. You can just click here, buy what you need. After entering the site, the home page will open. Here you can see the tabs: home, buy what you need, FAQs, frequently asked questions, sample videos, login and register, which if you are interested, you can log in and register your details so that our team can get back to you at the earliest. So here you can just click here, buy what you need. After clicking, the page will open. This is the page. You can just scroll here. You can see the Phonics page here. Phonics link is there to pay. Before you pay, just know the description about the product, what you will be getting after you make a hard-earned amount. So just click here, Phonics complete product description. You need to click here. You can see the respective product, that is the Phonics product entire description. After you get the product, what you will get. This is the first page of which you will see Phonics vowel sounds. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. The 5 vowels entire video would be there. Each and every video would be there. Phonics A sound vowel, phonic A sound, phonic E sound, phonic O sound and phonic A sound. After completion of the vowel sounds, the above vowel sounds, you will be having the sounds recall. That's the practice videos. They're segregated into 7 parts. Sounds recall 1 to sounds recall 7. And you can scroll here. After completion of the above practice videos, you can see the next topic, that is the ending sounds. Ending sounds also we have segregated in 7 parts. You can see after you get the product, you can see and watch the videos. Then it will be sound, that is one of the different sound. Here the team would explain you how to spell a specific sound, how to pronounce it, and you will be able to learn, and your learning will be fun. That is segregated into 2 parts, sound 1, sound 2. That is a long sound. Then L sound, that is also a long sound. That's the second different and most important sound. This is also a team will help you how to spell and pronounce. You will get to know each and everything. After each completion, either we will be giving you a question answer format, or it will be a story, or it will be a rhyme, or something. It would be some reading or some sentence would be there after each and every important topic completion. So then coming back to our topic, that is L sound 1, L sound 2. Again, after completion of this both topics, you will be having L story time, that is the respective sound L sound. We will be recalling it with the help of a story, as it's mentioned here, story. With the help of story, we will be recalling it. We will be revising it. You can click here to the next page. You can see in the next page, that's the page 2. What is the description about a product? If you are purchasing a product, a respective product, so what you will be getting in that product. Then it's a consonant blends. Consonant blends is nothing but a bl, cl, fl, gl and pl. These are the beginning blends. You can say these are the beginning blends, that is the beginning word blends are there, which will be included in the video. Then consonant blend words. The above blends words for practice is being given. You can that also. After the completion of the entire blends, that is the beginning blends as well as the beginning blend words, the next topic for you would be to recall the blends. That is the blends recall we will be seeing in 6 parts. After that, tricky words. Tricky words 2 is a third different sound. First 2 different sound we have seen in our first page. This page we have seen we will be seeing now third different sound, that is also it's a most important sound. That's why how to spell and pronounce, our team will be explaining you the tricky words from 1 to 7. After completion of the above tricky words sound, next is to recall the tricky words, that is tricky words recall. Then comes the identification of beginning blend. Identification of beginning blend is nothing but a beginning blend which here you have seen. This is the beginning blend. You need to identify which is the beginning blend. So beginning blend identification has been segregated into 3 parts. After the completion of the above beginning blend, that is the identification of beginning blend, next is to do its recall. After every topic completion, we will do its recall, either in story, either in question answer format, either in a rhyme, either in a reading, or either in a sentences. Then if you want to go to previous page, that is the page 1, you can click here. If you want to go to the next page, you can click here. Now as we have seen already the previous page, no need to go here now. You can click on directly on the next page. So we will see now the next page, that is the page 3. So the page has been opened. So the next sound is sound, that is the 4th different sound. They are also having here different sounds wherein team has been explained entire what is sk, sk, sm, sn, sp, st and sw. What are the sound? What are the sound words too? They have explained you, and the quick recall. After completion of the above, you will be having the reading. As I said earlier, after completion of every important topic, you will be having either a question answer, either a rhyme, either a story, or either a reading or a sentence. So here it's a reading. You can scroll here and see what you will be getting, what is in the box for you. So see then sight words. There are 5 sight words. 5 videos have been published by the team for sight words 1, sight words 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Then digraph. Digraph is also one of the most important topic in phonics, that is the ch sound. Entire digraphs have been included. You can scroll here and see what are the digraphs are included. So you see here ch sound digraph. They are segregated into 3 parts. Then the quick recall. Then comes the ch sound, which we have seen now, the words of ch sound. Then comes the ch sound words quick recall. If you want to go to the previous page to view what are the details you will be getting, what's in the box for you, you can click here. If you want to go for the next page, you can click here. Then comes the page 4. Page 4, you will be seeing the story of ch sound. Then comes the story of ch sound, that's a quick recall. Digraph, then it's a sh sound. After ch sound, next comes a sh sound. Next comes a sh sound, which is being segregated into 4 parts. After that, we will be having, after completion of the sh sound digraph, we will be having its quick recall, that is sh sound quick recall, which is segregated in 2 parts. Then the digraph sh sound reading we will be seeing here in this phonics product. Digraph sh sound reading, once done, you will be having the quick recall. Then p, f, f. So what is this? How to spell, how to pronounce as it's a digraph? It's very important to know. If in phonics, it's very important what's digraph all about. So team has been explained you in a video what is a digraph, what is the difference between a digraph and a blend, and how to spell each and every digraph sound. Then comes the next digraph, that is v. Next digraph, that is v, which after that is the v sound words, which has been segregated here in 2 parts, that is v sound words. Next comes, if you want to go to the next page, you can click here. If you want to go to the previous page, you can click here. So next page, if you will be going here, so next comes the page 5. So this digraph is about a v and f combined reading, because for f we have not seen the reading. So here for v and f, it's a combined reading which is segregated in 3 parts. You can have a look first you get the product. So then the digraph v and f combined reading quick recall. After comes is the th sound. After comes is the th sound. Th sound is nothing but a digraph sound which is having 2 different methods of th. 2 different methods of spelling and pronouncing th. 2 different methods have been already given by our team in the video. There are these 2 parts. Then comes the spotting the words th, wherein you will be given some images or some sentences will be given, wherein you need to find out the th image or the th word you need to find out. You need to spot out. This is the activity. This is the practice activity. Next comes the digraph. Ng. ng, g, ng, g sound. That sound is segregated in 3 parts. Then comes the most important topic is qua sound. G sound, quick recall 2 will be there. After each topic completion, we will be having the quick recall as well as the reading or something would be there. You will get to know what is there for you in the box. So it's just a quick recall and the quick product description about a phonics product. What one can have once they get the product. So the next comes here is the digraph qua sound. Digraph qua sound. Qua sound in which you will be getting the qua sound words, qua sound sentences as well as sound words and the sentences. Next comes is the sound which we read, we will be recalling those sounds. That is the quick revision, sound recall of qua. Then comes the magic air words. What is magic air and what are the magic air words? We will be seeing in 4 parts. Then comes the quick recall of magic air words. Then comes the fun to read, that is the reading activity of magic air words, which is been segregated in 3 parts. Then comes, if you want to go for the next page, you can go here, or else if you want to go for previous page, you can click here. The page 6 of phonics product description, what you get after you purchase your phonics product. So see here, this you will be getting the reading of magic air words quick recall. That is the reading activity of magic air words. Then comes the letters make words. How the different letters can make a word, you will be seeing in 5 different videos and 5 different parts. Then comes the quick recall of the letters make words. That is segregated in 2 parts. Letters make words quick recall 1 as well as the letters make words quick recall 2. Then comes, this is also most important, oo sound. Oo sound can have a short sound as well as can have a long sound. It's been differentiated and segregated by our team in sound 1 and sound 2. Then comes the oo sound in sentences, which is also been segregated in 2 parts. Then the reading activity of A, reading activity of E, reading activity of E, reading activity of O. These are the sounds, how to spell, how to pronounce, why we are seeing here A, why we are seeing here E. This all has been explained by our team. You can just view the product once you got the product in your box. Then comes the fun to read, that is the reading activity. This is also the most important sounds. This also most important sounds quick recall. Then comes the 2 vowels. 2 vowels is nothing but in a word only one vowel is there. When we add another vowel to it, how the entire word is changed or how the entire word changed to some other meaning or some other word. That is been shown in 2 vowels. Then comes the let us revise topic, that is A and E. Let us revise is nothing but we will be giving you an image. From that image you need to find out either EA will come or EE will come. For an example, leaf is there. So we will give you the first and the last letter, that is L and F. So you need to find out LEAF should come or LEEF should come. That kind of practice activity worksheet should be there, wherein the expert will help you how to solve and how to make you learn. Then comes the O and O sound. This is also one of the most important sounds. O and Oi. Both has similar sound. These two both has similar sounds which are clearly defined and explained by our expert in the video. Then next comes the quick recall of all the 4 sounds, that is O, Oi and Oi. Then comes the sound, Ir sound, sound, O sound and sound. These 5 are 2 the most important sounds. Hence we have clearly defined and explained you each and everything. Wherever necessary, expert has given you an explanation on the respective word or a respective topic. So for that, quick recall 2 has been given for the above 5 important sounds. That is, these sounds, for these 5 sounds they have given a quick recall. Then next comes the 2 sounds of C. So C has hard sound, C has soft sound. As everyone knows, C and K has similar sound. So C says k and K says to k. So both has k similar sound. So how we define C is a soft sound or C is a hard sound? If the C comes for K, so it's a hard sound. If the C comes for C, that's a soft sound, the way we say A, B, C, D, the same soft sound. If it comes for hard, for an example, the team has explained you, the expert has explained you how hard and soft is differentiated. You can see there once you see the topics. Once you get accustomed with the product description, what is the product description, how to pay and all, you can able to get the product and get used to with the videos. So here two sounds of C, that's a hard and soft sound. Difference is being given as well as the explanation on how to differentiate and how to understand which is hard and which is a soft sound. C sound words are given and these are segregated in 3 parts. Then added to it the quick recall of the two sounds of C. Two sounds of C is quick recall 2 has been given in phonics. So in phonics, moreover, you will be having 150 plus videos you will be having here. If you purchase the product here, you will be getting 150 plus videos. Apart from it, if you need any assistance, like for any query, if you have, you can just WhatsApp us on the given number. That this is our WhatsApp given number. That's 94881 86920. You can reach us via WhatsApp or you can mail us at compets.org, compets.org@gmail.com. You can reach us here or else you can reach on WhatsApp. Our team would help you at the earliest, as you can reach us here 94881 86920. Then coming back to the home page, you can click here. Coming back to the phonics home page, you can click here. See, this is the phonics home page. You can just click here and you can just scroll. So here once again I will show you. So first we have seen the buy what you need phonics product description. Now see the sample videos. Here there are 3 sample videos we have published. See, the first is for phonics sounds. Phonics, that is the phonics product description as I have given you. The same phonics sounds sample videos are there. You can just click here and you can just view. You can just click here in any one and you can view the same. So just back to the home page, you can click here and come back to the home page. Again, you can go for the sample videos. You can click here if you need for Jolly Phonics. You can click here. You can click any one of them if you want to. Then back, go to the home page. Then again, if you want to click here sample videos, you can see here the other videos which are directly or indirectly related to phonics as well as the Jolly Phonics, that is here. You can click here. You can see the videos, and then if you want to click on any respective video, you can click on here, or else if you want to go to the phonics sample videos, you can click here directly, or else you can go for the phonics home page. Then the next comes here is the buy what you need. Buy what you need, you can see here the product description. Product description, you can click here and you can click here to make the above link to make the payment. Thank you. Any doubts, you can always connect us on our WhatsApp number, that's here 94881 86920, or else you can mail us on compets.org@gmail.com. Thank you.